This book is a real page-turner. Oh, a message. So soon? Better get ready. There's my makeup bag. I'll start with a spray of perfume. I smell like a rose. What else? Lipstick. This might be trickier. But that's what teeth are for. Sort of. Come on. Nice and slow. Okay, you're getting there. Why is this so hard? That'll do. Who am I kidding? I look like a clown. There must be an easier way. Oh, this flossing brush could be handy. I know how to use this. Rub the flossing brush over the lipstick, making sure the floss is coated. Then press it onto the lip. Make an X shape in the center to start. Then work along the outline of the lips. Then do the same on the bottom lip. Then just fill it in with the lipstick. Wow! Look at those lips! Hey! How are you feeling? You look great! I got you some things! Thank you! Everything on the menu looks so good. It's so hard to choose. Hello. Waiter, 2 of your specials. Chop chop. Bon appetit. Ahem. Hello. Oh, wow! These look great! Ah! Ah! Was it something I said? What a strange reaction. Oh no! There's 2 caterpillars on my face! Wait, that's my eyebrows. How not to make a first impression. These tweezers should help. These hairs are quite stubborn. This might take a while. What a disaster. Although, maybe I could use the nail file. It's worth a try. Rub the tweezers against the nail file. This will sharpen the blades on the tweezers, making those pesky hairs a thing of the past. That's doing the job. You'll have perfect brows in no time. What a difference! We might need a vacuum over here. Is that the time? Better be going. Night is so dull. I want to do something fun. I know, right? What about a makeover? Great idea! I'll just make some space. Me too. Bye, plant! Okay, all we need now is makeup. Look at it all. Lipstick, eyeshadow, color palettes. Ready? First to do all their makeup wins. Let's set a timer. And go! What should I use first? Gotta be quick! I'll move these here. Back in a minute. Where is she going? Who cares? I'm winning. Nearly forgot the most important thing. I'll put this sheet of foil on the table. Maybe some foundation. What are you doing? A drop of foundation, spread it around the foil. Looking pretty so far. Now for the eyes. I've always wanted to be an artist. Time's running out. Finished! Here goes. Just need to press the foil down. You do know how to put makeup on. Nearly there. Watch this. Looks good, huh? That is amazing! Let me try. It's so easy. Go for it. So I take a sheet of aluminum foil, add some foundation, put on some lipstick. Impressive! Picasso would be proud. Almost done. I think that's it. And now I just whack it on my face? I can't wait to see how I look. Time for the big reveal! How do I look? Don't look in a mirror. It might crack. Are you serious? Oh, I'm hideous! Let me help. I can fix this. This should fit. A little here. A dab there. This'll look fantastic on you. There. My masterpiece is complete. Don't move. Ow! My nose! Oh my gosh. I can't believe you did this! I look gorgeous! My makeup. My dress. Let's party! Okay, Lexi. Are you ready? I look like a baked potato! It suits you. Really brings out your eyes. Bye! Just you wait! This is so not funny! Kylie! Ah! No way! That's so funny! Aw, cute! Mwah. I need better lighting. Hey, make yourself useful. Hold this. I'm not your personal assistant. Did you say something? I'm too busy being beautiful. I need to get my good side. No, this won't do. Move over there. I should be paid for this. So pretty! I'm a human tripod. Can life get any worse? Hey guys, going for the natural look today. Heart emoji, lips emoji, winky face. They love me! Ahem. Natural, huh? Well, maybe just a little makeup. It's time for a reverse makeover. I mean, it's not gonna make any difference, but if you say so. I'll still look pretty. It's just makeup. Breathe. It'll be fine. Goodbye, old friend. I'll remember you as you were. Attractive. It's not like I'm wearing that much makeup. That feels good. Won't be needing these. This'll take a while. Scrape off this. Wow, I can smell things now. This is so captivating. One less so long, luscious lips. Huh? Okay, this is it. The final stage. Yeah, go on. You can do it. How do I look? I feel wonderful. What do you think? Wow. You're really ugly. How about now? Got you! He's better at makeup than I am. Gosh, I'm so bored. What? No way! Should I? Or shouldn't I? I should! What? It's empty! No money at all! Aww. Now what? Guess back to scrolling. I'm tired though. I should probably just go to bed. Such a bummer about my eyebrows though. Maybe there's something I can do. Huh. Wait a second. What if I… Yes! I think that will totally work! Gotta get this nice and soapy. Good. And now to apply to my brows. Yes! It's shaping them nicely. On to the next one! Wow! That worked great! Wow! No way! Her eyebrows are amazing! Here I am, ready for school! Oh wow! She's so pretty! No way! Look at her eyebrows! Okay, I better tame my brows. Ow! Okay, that's one. Oh wow. She's just so pretty. Not too much longer. Then you'll be done. Oh, it's kinda scary here. Maybe I shouldn't do this. Calm down. Everything will be okay. How much longer will it be? Alright, you're all done. Ooh, she looks so cool. Okay, I can totally do this. Be brave. Hey, what are you looking for? Oh, 1 second. Can you do this on my arm? Oh. Sorry. Nope. No? But why? Read the signs. You gotta be 21. Sorry. I don't make the rules. Oh. Okay then. I guess I'll just go. That's probably a good idea. Hey! Who's up next? It's not fair! I was so brave going there! And now my makeup's running too! Today was the worst day! She wasn't even nice to me! Huh? I don't remember buying this. Wait! I think this can help! I'll need to make a stencil. Okay, now I'll put it on my arm where I want it. Now for the glue. I'll just paint it around with the brush. Done! Next up, glitter! Gotta make sure I don't miss any spots. I'll tap it down so it's nice and smooth, too. Just like that! Now for the big reveal! It's so cute! Just gotta blow away the extra glitter. Wow, this turned out amazing! I'm definitely gonna need some pictures of this. Gotta put this on Instagram for sure. Oh no! Mom's coming! Better get rid of it! Ooh, it's not coming off! Oh, look at you! Do me a favor and pick up around here, hmm? Will do! Love you, Mom! Phew, that was a close one. I'll just do a quick phone check. Oh, someone's calling me. So cute. Makes me want to hug my phone. Sure, you can borrow something. That black dress with the straps, right? Oh, she left her makeup bag over there. Now's my chance! Yoink! Better run! There he is! Oh my gosh, I have to do something! Where is it? There! This'll definitely work. Okay, good. They look smoochable. Better let my hair down, too. And give it a shake. Ugh! It's stuck to my lips! I don't know. Maybe this isn't enough. Should I use this, too? Yep, I think so. Just a little bit. It's so light. Just carefully brush it on my lips. Done! I can put it away! Here's my chance! Oh, wow! Your lips! Yes! We're gonna kiss! Hey! Stop this right now! You took my makeup! Get back here! Ow! Girls can be scary. This new school's nice. Are those tampons? Blech. What's so funny? Oh no. This can't be happening. So much for a fresh start, huh? Unless I take control. Did you know tampons can be used to give you gorgeous beach waves? They're the perfect size, too. Then tie them up and wait. See? Fabulous. Whoa, that was incredible. Good thing I brought a bunch of them. Let's try! For your runny nose. Ah, nothing like new clothes. Makes you feel like a whole new person. But these old things can get tricky. No! See what I mean? Now what? Good thing I have another pair. Let's try this again, shall we? Easy. Easy. Ugh. No! Am I bad luck or something? What about this pair? Ding ding ding! We have a winner! Ew! What's wrong with you, nails? Gah! I give up! What about these old things? No way! Ugh! Already a no! These holes are huge!
Me likey. Anyway, let's stash and go. What else is around here? Fresh flowers? Perfect to give to my sweetheart. Just look at that gorgeous face. Mine! These people must be rich. Uh-oh. I'm not alone. What's with all the tears?
My tights keep tearing because of these stupid nails! What?
I've got a perfectly good pair. See? All yours.
But my fingers…
Wear gloves then. Catch!
Gloves! Of course! Thanks! Hey! No runs! They're going on super smooth! I can even pull them up, see? Thanks! Don't my legs look fabulous? This Robert knows his stuff.
You know what? These are almost as pretty as you.
Thank you. Wait a minute.
Uh-oh. Time to go!
Get back here!